This video shows the user how to merge different manufacturers' databases together to form a hybrid database. So you might want to actually mix and match different manufacturers. In order to do so, first of all, you need to save the file with a unique and different file name. So first of all, what we would do is go up to the File menu, Save As, and give it a new file name. I'm going to call this hybrid database, for example. That now opens up the hybrid database, leaving the original one as is. If we now want to add another manufacturer in, we can either bring in the whole database or pick the fittings of the devices that we want. All we need to do is go to the File menu, Import Database. This takes us again to our CPD directory, and then all I need to do is grab the manufacturer set of devices that I want, selecting the database. Now at this point I can make the decision as to whether I want to import the entire database or some of them. If I only want a selected handful of devices, all I need to do is select the little box there that says Import Selected Devices Only, select the Import button, and then grab the devices of interest. Select the Import button, and that will then update the database. We then wait a few seconds for it to compile it, and then when we do a search on manufacturer, this then shuffles them into manufacturer order, and then we'll see the range that we added in at the top of the database. There you can see. And again, these were obviously obsolete because they're greyed out with the obsolete tick box against them. So you can either import the entire database, or you can pick different ranges of devices to create a hybrid database using the switchgear of your personal requirements or the project requirements.